Alright, welcome back. Last time we had all the aluminum sheeting in. I needed to finish up this piece, so it's all done. Sprayed everything with sound deadening paint. The wheel wells are all painted, all the sheeting is painted. Everything sheeted in up here, painted. Looks pretty good. Seems a little quieter in here. Coming along. Alright, next step is to get the Pink Panther foam cut out for all the spaces in the floor. Help insulate this a little bit from temperature. So we'll get started on that. Let's get this insulation in. Well, that was easy. Only took a couple of seconds. Alright, I got got all the holes cut out for the bracing mounts that go through the floor. I cut some flashing. We're just going to glue that down, put some weight on it, and then we'll be ready to run sheet aluminum over that, or sheet insulation over that. Alright, let's get going. If you're wondering, this is just contact adhesive. Pick it up at your local Getting store. Probably all it needs. Alright, mush it down real good. That'll be great. Alright, so just like that easy. Probably overkill all that contact adhesive on there, but I want those to stay in place. Yeah, just cut this is, if you're wondering, this is Pink Panther Formular 150. If you buy it in the 1 inch thick, that's the size that fits between these rails. 1 inch thick is 150. You buy it 2 inch thick, then it's a 250, but I don't want to add too much height to the floor, drop the ceiling down. Alright, well that's it for this video. We'll catch you guys next time. See ya. Bye.